Hey everyone! So yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to use Gmail with Google Workspace safely, step by step. Using Gmail with Google Workspace gives you advanced features for work, collaboration, and security, but it's important to follow best practices. This full guide for 2026 will help you manage your emails safely and professionally. First, enable two-factor authentication via Google account security two-step verification. Use a strong and unique password, ideally stored in a password manager. Regularly check account activity under last account activity to spot any suspicious logins. Use Gmail confidential mode for sensitive emails with expiration dates, restricted forwarding, and passcodes. Organize emails with labels and filters for projects, clients, or departments. Enable notifications for high-priority emails to reduce distractions. Ensure your devices are secure with antivirus, OS updates, and passwords or fingerprints. Use a VPN when on public Wi-Fi. Backup critical emails to Google Drive or Google Vault, and regularly audit your inbox for outdated or sensitive emails. Train yourself and your team on phishing, safe email practices, and company policies. And yeah, that's how to use Gmail with Google Workspace safely step by step in 2026. If this helped you protect your account and work efficiently, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.